Okay, today we're going to discuss multiplying and dividing using scientific notation. There are two separate things together. First, we follow regular multiplying and dividing, and also we multiply and divide using exponents. All right, the powers of 10, you see. So once you divide and figure out how, it's not that difficult, or multiply. The first example, we've already worked through it. First part is to move the numbers over 8.1 times 5. Now the next, we take the powers of 10 and move them together and multiply them together separately. When we multiply 8.1 times 5, the answer is 40.5. We're going to hold this because 40.5 doesn't fit with the rules of scientific notation. Okay? Hold that for a second. Now, 10 to the 5th times 10 to the negative 7th. What's the rule for multiplying like bases with exponents? Okay? So now, it's 10 to the negative 2 power. Now look at 40.5. It doesn't fit the rule. It has between numbers 1 and 9. So we have to use scientific notation on the first number. It becomes 4.05 times 10 to the first. Now, and that's our final answer. 8.1 times 5, and it works out to be 4.05 times 10 to the negative 1. Now, the next example, we're going to divide. So I'm already divided it for you. We have 1.2 divided by 3 times 10 to the 4th divided by 10 to the negative 2. 1.2 divided by 1.2 divided by 3 equals 0.4. 10 to the 4th divided by 10 to the negative 2 equals 10 to the 6th. How's that even happen? Remember our rules for dividing exponents. And that's how that works out. Now the 0.4, it doesn't fit in with the rules of scientific notation. We'll have to convert 0.4 to 4 times 10 to the negative first. And it becomes 4 times 10 to the 5th overall, the final answer. Now, our third example has already worked out for us. If we have large numbers like 2,000 times 0.000021 divided by 700, you can convert it to scientific notation, and it makes the calculations easier instead of trying to figure all these numbers and chance making a mistake. Now you separate multiplications here and divisions. Following the rules of exponents, it goes zero point 0.6 times 10 to the negative fourth. 0.6, yet again, doesn't fit the rules of scientific notation. It has to be 6 times 10 to the negative 1 power. We'll work on this right now. Okay, first we're going to move these, multiply them together. Now, 38.4, again, doesn't follow the rules of scientific notation. We have to convert that number again. 38.4 becomes 3.84 times 10 to the first power. And that's our final answer. Now, the next example. All right. All right, let me get a calculator, make sure I do this correctly. I don't want to make any mistakes. Okay. It's 0.6. 4.2 divided by 7 is 0.6. All right, now, again, 0.6, it does not follow the scientific notation rules. We have to convert it. Okay, and that's our answer for that one. Now, our third and final example. All right. Now we've converted all to scientific notation. Now we're going to follow the rules like before. Now, again, we're not done yet. The 0.9 does not satisfy the requirements of scientific notation. We have to change it to 9.0 times 10 to the negative first power. And that's our answer. Thank you. Our vlog is over. Multiplying, dividing, scientific notation. See you next vlog.